Morning. A few weeks ago, I was lucky enough to find a tomato that had washed ashore. I decided to cut it into slices and plant them in a bit of soil. And with a little care, I've managed to grow myself a tomato plant. Gardening, even on a small scale, can be very rewarding, but it does take time and patience. If you've got some soil in a container you can use, why not have a go at planting some seeds from leftover food? Maybe you can grow your own tomato plant, or peppers even. If you don't have a garden, all plants start small. So a pot of soil in your kitchen should get things started. You'll need to make sure you water your plant regularly and give it plenty of sunlight. If you haven't got soil, you can try a nifty little trick with a carrot top or spring onion. I've left a link to some instructions in the description.